I'm Gayle from BERNINA of Naperville. And if you don't know, let me tell you, we have a face mask drive for our friends at Amita Health Hospital in Elk Grove Village. So here's the deal. You can make 20 masks and bring them to Aspen Lane Wine Company, where they are generously going to give you a bottle of wine for a penny. And you know what? They even have a jar of pennies outside their door. So you know what that means. But listen, as I've noticed through our social media feed, is that there are a lot of Team Wine hashtags out there. And I just wanted to give you a little argument for why you should be Team Fabric. Apart from the fact that here, if you drop off only one mask, you get 30% off your cotton, 100% cotton fabric purchases. You just need to use the code SCRUBINWINE in all caps. That's right. Yell at me. All right. So, got another argument for you to be Team Fabric. And so it starts with number 5. Fabric doesn't give you a headache. Number 4, fabric is more cost-effective than wine. Ooh, Aspen Lane Wine Company, 2018 Cabernet Sauvignon. $40? Oh. Sweet treat bundle, 4 fat quarters and a lollipop, $12.99. Sound advice. 3, fabric lasts longer. The fabric is still here. Well, we all know that. 2, you can't sew with wine. Yeah, this machine is going really slow. You know, people tell me that they sew with wine all the time. No, it's still slow. And number 1, you can't use wine as a protective face covering. You know, I've often heard about the protective qualities and health benefits of red wine. So I'm willing to take one for the team to see if this can be used as a protective face mask. Holy crap, I can't breathe through this thing. Oh my God. Well, I'm sure all of you out there, all you teetotalers out there, will certainly be coming over here to use your Scrub In Wine code on our www.BERNINAofNaperville.com website. All right, thank you, and see you again.